What's up, classic car world? I got a little sneak peek for you. Where am I? Well, I got palm trees behind me, and I guess watch out for people riding horses. I'm out in sunny San Diego is where I am. What am I doing here though? Am I possibly meeting a certain YouTuber with a certain F100? I don't know. I guess you're gonna have to stick around and find out. Check out our socials. Keep an eye on what's happening. There's definitely a lot of fun content coming. Follow us on Instagram, CraigerCo_Classic. Definitely, if you're not already, go to all of our groups. Build it your way. Obviously, Ford F100 World representing. Check out Steel Beauties. Definitely go to our YouTube channel. That's definitely where the footage is going to go. CraigerCoClassic YouTube channel. Definitely a lot of good Ford content coming with a certain YouTuber. Who is it? What do you guys think? Definitely a sneak peek. Stick around, follow, subscribe, and get ready for some really cool content coming. Later, guys.